Yo, welcome back to Untriggered. We are getting drunk. Let's go.
Oh, it started.
It started.
That's it? That's it?
That's how we started.
Oh my
Cheers,
god.
everyone.
Okay, yeah, cheers. We're starting with
Cheers.
tequila shots because
Yeah, because I'm gonna mid-shot it.
What?
No.
Mid-ting.
Oh, mid.
no.
Mid.
Mid is a Gen Z
No.
word.
Use of
No.
the word.
But that was the wrong use of the word.
A young queen. A youthful queen.
Do you
I
guys
mean,
know
she
what?
is young.
Do you guys know what Riz means?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're not that old.
Yeah, we're not that
You got
old,
mad
man.
Riz?
Madras. You saw me with
Is
the
that
mic
because
earlier?
is
Yeah,
that because
yeah.
of your show that suddenly you all have madras?
No, babe.
Oh, it's always been
Yeah,
like
we
that.
got cast because we had madras.
That's true.
So we were talking before we started, and we were like, we want to talk to Aisha and Naina instead of Yashika, and otherwise, like that would just be a very different episode. She'd go around like
I'd just be
cussing
mean
out
to
poor people on the
everybody
street.
and- yeah, calling people poor.
Why were you so mean to the poor kids?
I don't know, man, because I was asked to be mean
was
to
a
the poor
brief.
kids. It was a brief, dude. Have you had a
How did you feel doing
Man,
that?
don't
were
you
like,
guys have jobs where you're supposed to do things that
We don't
you are
have
asked
jobs,
to
so that's
do?
why we're
yeah,
here.
we're not.
Fair.
Fair. So you have the cool jobs.
We're not mean to poor people.
We're not mean to anyone.
You know what?
We're
Like,
mean to the rich snobs.
I mean to everyone.
yeah.
That was my job.
No,
Yeah.
but it was like, honestly, there was a point where we were asked to be mean and they were like, can we not? We're such good girls. We're so
good. We do
do we
have to be mean?
But then they were like, go. And then we went. And then we just, like, it was like slow motion. I'm like, what is coming out of my mouth?
And every
Stop
time we said a
talking. This
meaner
is so
thing,
mean.
like their loins would get fired up.
Yeah.
They'd be like, more, give us more.
more.
Yes, we're feeling it.
Yeah.
Like Nana would say something mean and then I'd say something mean and then they really genuinely enjoyed
Yeah.
that. Like,
But are South Delhi people like that actually?
Are they?
You think?
I'm from Bombay. I
Not,
know.
I don't think so outwardly. Maybe in their private thoughts.
That though, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't think so outwardly. But you know, honestly, it's a trip to be allowed to say things without consequences and be the worst version of yourself without consequences. That was a trip to be on the show. I think it took us a while to come back into being our normal selves because suddenly people were like, yeah, just be a fucking dick. And we're like,
Yeah.
oh, yeah,
We went
sure.
around being a dick
What's
to
up?
everyone.
Yeah, and then I
Let's-
think even for the first
Yeah.
round of our promotions, the only ways we knew to be on camera were to be dicks. So for a
Yeah.
long time, we forgot that we didn't need the validation of just being a dick all the time to be on camera.
Yeah.
Like we could genuinely be ourselves. So
Yeah, I
it
think
took a
we-
while to get out of it.
Yeah, it's strange. Our fight and flight became be a
Be a
dick.
dick.
And then we had a conversation after the first interview because they also the first interview we did, the promos, they had separated like the Noorpur kids and the rich
Hampton
kids,
kids,
and they were
yeah.
like it's like going against each other. And then it just went back into our muscle memory, right? And then we sat together after and we're like, hey, dude, maybe we don't need to be so bad.
Need to do this. Osham isn't here anymore.
We're not getting paid for this
We're not
anymore.
getting paid for this.
Still in
Maybe we can just be
character.
nice to everyone
yeah,
again.
So since then, it's been sweet rehabilitation.
Walking around on the street, the beggar comes, you fucking peasant, get the fuck away from me.
No. It must be said that it was specifically to those three characters. It wasn't just we were not like
I would
out
like
on
to
the street.
apologize for
Really
being a
sorry.
dick to everybody on
No, we
set.
loved it.
She's
Like,
looking
we
at
were
us
watching
and
this.
saying that, Rashida,
Yeah,
I would like
I
to
would-
apologize.
I would like to
To you
apologize.
peasants.
To you,
No.
no.
A lot of the guests come here and they're dicks to us.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
not.
Really?
And the initial 10
We're just
minutes,
gonna get
they'll
you
be
drunk.
that.
I don't think I want to be mean. I
You're
just want to
gonna
get you
us
fucking
drunk.
wasted.
You're drinking
yeah.
so slowly.
Dude, I'm already drunk because Naina and I have been drinking on an empty stomach. We had a shot before we started,
Yes.
just saying, and we're pretty much wasted because we're
Yeah.
lightweights and we've only been drinking
How much
Our
do the
whole
two of you
lives.
drink, like generally?
like way too much
I
because we
don't
went to
drink.
college in.
I don't drink. No. So it should be said that we went to the same college but in different circumstances. I
Okay.
went to NID in my master's.
After
and
she had lived a full life.
Yes, after I
and
lived a full
experienced
life.
everything.
and experienced a full life. And Aisha was there fresh 17.
As a 17-year-old
Please never say that.
undergrad.
Yeah.
As a fresh
17.
As a
No,
fresh
too excited.
17-year-old
Fresh as they come.
undergrad.
As fresh as they come.
As fresh
No,
as they come.
because honestly, it was a situation where people were mixing drinks in baltis with
Disgusting.
mugs.
Yeah, I was a bucket
And
mixer.
I was there, like
That's disgusting.
It
What is
was
going
disgusting.
on?
It was beautiful. So we had obviously recently discovered what it was to what it meant to live without your parents,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And
Fair.
so there were no rules, no consequences. We went to design school. Everything was very like, control kills creativity. So we could drink
Yeah.
all the time and do whatever the fuck we wanted. And so we were mixing drinks in buckets,
Yeah.
in pools. Do you remember they made that tarp pool?
Yeah.
And it was disgusting when we were putting our feet in it. But I think there was also
Yeah.
booze in it. And we were drinking just the worst thing. Anything you got
What?
It
fruit
in a
was-
juice?
dry state meant
Yeah.
it was okay to drink.
Oh my god.
Right?
Oh, no. We're not bringing that up here.
Yeah, let's not. But my reaction to it was like, Mom, take me home. What the fuck is going on?
Yeah,
here?
because she was-
I
she was
came
in
here
her
to study and
masters.
do well.
I know. And I can imagine all the PG kids just being so done. A lot of the PG kids were even married and they were like, dude, we've lived our full lives.
Yeah.
We're done with this shit.
And then
We've
they
already
come-
been degenerates as teenagers.
Yeah.
We're not
Yeah.
ready to do
Dude,
this.
honestly, after Delhi and like living like a
I can imagine.
full life in Delhi, to come to Ahmedabad and like party it out on a basketball court.
On a basketball court.
Yeah,
We
I was done
partied-
with the DIY version of my life.
We used to party at, on our basketball courts
Yeah.
in college.
It was kind of fun though,
It was
actually.
fucking awesome.
But that was the first time you drank going to
Oh,
college?
No.
Wait, what?
No,
No,
she
no,
had
that's
already
what
lived
you
her
got from
life.
my
Is
show.
that-
She had gone for her masters. So for
She
Okay,
had
okay,
gone for
okay.
her master. I was
Yeah.
in my undergrad, so
That
I
was
was
first
for
time
her,
she
it
had.
was the
no,
first
no,
time
no.
she
I
was
was
drinking.
drinking.
From buckets.
Yeah. I mean-
I'm from Bombay, right?
Yeah.
So I was drinking as a youth, but
Youth.
as a youth.
So like
Yeah.
12, 13-year-old you.
No, but you know what?
No.
Actually, like design school and especially NID where we studied was honestly a crazy experience in terms of just opening up like our worldview. And I think that's why we can also do several different kinds of jobs because you're essentially just taught like an essence and a philosophy of how to go about design. Like design is about doing things efficiently. It's not about
Yeah.
I am a product designer or I am a wedding planner.
Yeah,
so
I'm a
that's why coming out of
Exactly.
it, she's a model, graphic designer, actor. I'm a
Investor.
filmmaker.
Investor, real estate
Yeah.
mogul.
Real estate mogul.
Yeah, and
She owns more property in Pune than any
yeah.
I
of
lost
us.
a lot of money in crypto, everyone.
Yes.
Oh.
But she invested
All
it
of
in
us in
gold.
this room.
We
Join.
all here. We
We all
good.
took that
Good,
ship.
It's all of us.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, so I mean, I feel like.
Do you know what
honestly-
crypto is?
Of course, I know what crypto is.
What-
Hey,
what
hey, I
That's
didn't
a
invest in
younger
it.
person thing, no?
What is that?
I didn't invest in it, but I
Yeah,
know what it
see?
is.
So she's wise.
Yeah.
She's wise.
She's
She's
wise.
wise.
She's
She's
the
mature for her
we're the
age.
silly ones.
Oh my
We're the silly ones over here.
Yeah.
No, but yeah, I mean, again, going to a place like NID, it taught you how to think and it taught you how to do multiple and different things,
Yeah.
which was cool. A lot of people don't do that, and
Yeah.
a lot of colleges don't bother to teach you things like that. So
Yeah, to like basically pander to your curiosity. I feel like it's not like the education system in India is about don't be curious. How dare you put your head down and sit down?
We'll
And-
tell you what to think about.
Yeah,
think
exactly.
about
And
that, yeah.
NID is like, hey, dude, you should be thinking about what things other people aren't.
yeah,
The things that
all
other
the
people
things
aren't
you
thinking
aren't
about.
thinking about,
Yeah.
that stuff we're
Yeah.
going to ask you
Yeah.
about, so
Yeah.
that you think about
Yeah.
it and you're well researched enough. And I think that's
freaking
it was
cool.
that's what Osham said as well. That's why he was that's why he wanted to hire us, and that's why he wanted to have us on the show. So
Yeah.
and
In spite of you guys not
Being actors.
being
actors.
we weren't
Yeah.
really actors, and it made sense. So he understood that. So it was nice to finally have a director who said, yeah, fuck it, we
You don't
won't-
know how to do this specific thing, but I know that
but
you're
I know
equipped
you
So
with
let's
life
do
find
it,
the
yeah.
process and you
yeah.
figure out how to
Yeah.
get there.
Is
So
it
that
tough to
was-
act?
Yeah.
Really? I always thought it's
yeah.
like how much effort is it
I mean,
really?
what about? Did you think it was tough to act?
Definitely.
I think we should bring our glasses.
I think like it's like a lot of specificities in terms of like, okay, I can cry for the scene, but what do you do when the equipment is suddenly being shifted to a different frame?
So how do you not acknowledge
Yeah.
it?
No, like how do you cry for then 2 hours while the light setup is changing? What the hell are you supposed to do?
You
Like,
don't know when to turn it off.
when to turn it off, or what is your process? Today my process was
You're doing a dirty with that. No?
it worked when I meditated. Just
Yeah.
me talking seriously. you know, yeah.
Morning,
get
and
to
it's
put
been
it on
we've been awake
As
only
you're saying
8
something really
hours.
cool. So you
So-
can't just put it.
We can
Sometimes-
switch also midway. By the way, we can switch.
Sometimes, oh, go for it.
We can switch midway.
You know, It's a process.
Do you see how her personality has changed with her
Yeah.
new
my
glasses?
drunkenness.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
that too.
Especially.
No, that's a
but
very
even-
John
even-
Abraham Doom glasses.
It's giving Tour de France.
Yeah. You should ask John Abraham about his acting process.
Yeah, I
would
think
like
that'll
to
be.
know.
Yeah, his
No,
acting
but-
process happens at the gym mostly. I think that's.
Dude,
what-
it's important. Okay, listen, all these things we might make fun of, but it's important.
I don't make fun of it. I'm
I
saying.
maybe made
Sounds
fun
like
of
you're
it.
You-
making
you
fun
made
of
fun of
Madhu.
it.
Yeah, because I was like, okay, you're just like, theek hai, it's about acting, but then no, like being a superstar in India is about the full package.
Yeah.
You need to look like everybody's fantasy for you to make it ahead.
Yeah.
And being that, the pressure of being somebody's fantasy is immense.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
You know, I thought I wouldn't give a fuck. I was like, yeah, you know, I just want to be a good actor. I just want to do a few good scenes. I don't give a fuck about how I look. I don't give a fuck about my acne. And suddenly, like, catch me, like, giving a fuck about
You have to.
stupid shit that I never, ever in my life had to care about. So
No,
it's
you have
insane.
to.
You have to. And you feel the pressure. And it's weird. It's pressures you've never felt in your life. And especially being in different fields and then coming into this whole acting thing. And I was a rebel, right? Like I was like, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit about how I look. I don't care about any of these things. You know, I'm
You look
just here.
so cool saying all that with the glasses.
not just glasses, it's Prada glasses.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
there's a reason
It's
we
that
got
Netflix
them out.
monies. No, but I genuinely, I didn't think I would give a shit about any of this stuff. But it's funny. It's funny how the industry turns and makes you start caring because eyeballs.
What do the DM looks like now?
Dude, my DMs are nuts. What are your DMs like? Because I find that.
My DMs have
My
nuts.
DMs are
I'm kidding. No,
seriously-
they don't.
For real.
No.
But I will say, I
I'm
still
kidding.
haven't gotten a single dick pic as yet.
Yeah,
Have
I
you
haven't
gotten a
either.
dick
Wait.
pic?
Zero.
I have not gotten
Wait,
any
do you
dick
guys
pics.
check your hidden requests?
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay, just I have some work to do.
What
I'll be
happened?
back.
What happened?
To send some DMs. They've not yet received some.
No, but you know, strangely,
I'll just
bear
like
it all
quickly.
right now.
dude, strangely enough, the dick pics and the boob pics are going to Bali.
Oh!
It ain't coming to me.
It's not coming to me either.
I'm getting you are an angel. So,
Yeah, same. I'm getting
That's-
Aisha, you are a fairy. I'm like, dude, I was a
Exactly. you are a grade A bitch.
No way to
Yeah,
go
like
about it.
thanks though.
Yeah.
But you guys feel like you need that validation. It's like,
No.
fuck. Like,
No.
I quite like the validation, but no,
what
we
the
don't
dick
need
pic
it.
The
validation.
dick pic validation.
No, fuck that
My
shit,
validation
dude.
comes the day that a woman or my parents or my parents' colleagues or my random old uncles and aunts are like, you did a good job. Because that's what I want to know. I don't want to know if a guy wants to take me out for dinner because every guy would want to take anybody out
Whoa.
for dinner.
Did you see how the sentence changed? Like, because every guy would want to take. Then she realized it sounded a little
Anyone.
narcissistic. Anyone for
See,
dinner.
1 second. Okay, sorry to say to that.
She's self-aware.
If it takes, it took Koyal 5 people, a team of 5 people to look like Koyal. So after that, you better be wanting to take me out, right? Like,
Yeah.
if I had that kind of backup in my everyday life, I would be freaking confident. But I come out to my rickshaw looking, being myself.
And my rickshaw guy is telling me, "Arey madam, yaar, chal ke jao thoda sa." Like, "Arey, fine."
Yeah.
It's a good thing you dropped y'all off over there.
Yeah, he dropped us off over there instead of over here.
So the funny thing is, we went for these like college promotions. It was too funny. It was the first time we did this, and Bombay colleges are dead to celebrity,
Yeah.
right? Because last week it was Kartik Aaryan. Who are these 11 randos? Randos who have come to like our college, but they are fully trained, like a freaking black ops team.
Yeah.
200 freshers have formed a human chain
Yeah.
from our
Yeah,
car
they do
door
that.
to the freaking like staging area, right? And I got freaked out because they were like, move, 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 and they're just like walking around you. And I'm like, I'm so sorry. Then I started running. I was like, oh my god. They were like, why were you running this?
and
was for
also
you.
the realization that nobody really
cares. They're like,
cared
who the
Yeah.
hell is this?
that
They-
they were making
Yeah.
the chain
I
anyway.
had
did-
no idea also.
I did one college event last month, and
Yeah.
bro, there was no mob over there. I was like, what is this chain for? I can just walk around this
That's
college.
what
and
we were saying, and actually we have videos as well
Yeah.
where we're just like, listen, no one. gives
And
a
also
Y'all
the,
enjoyed it though,
the
right?
thing is, they
No,
don't.
we did enjoy it. We were like, this is embarrassing.
We were
because at least if people were
mortified.
coming at
Yeah.
us, we would be like, yeah, okay, fine.
We were
Peasants.
But no, people were just like watching us go by.
on the exit. The human chain dropped us till the gate. After the gate, they're like, you're on your own. So we're just standing outside like
Like
"Well,
texting and waiting for our
Rickshaw
bus.
किधर है मेरा?
rickshaw
Yeah.
किधर है?
Yeah, bro, my
PTM
rickshaw
location.
here. You want to drop? Yeah, we're going in the same direction. Should we carpool? Like,
Yeah.
shit like that, you know? So, I mean,
I
it's
think they do it to
basically the
make you
same.
feel important. It's like,
Sure.
oh, you've come to our college and you're an important person. I don't know.
Is that what they do? Is that
I'm
the
pretty
reason?
sure
No,
that's
because
the
there were
motive
people who
behind
came
it.
up to
Honestly,
me.
nothing made me feel less important.
Then being in a human chain
Where
and then
nobody's
having
reacting to
nobody
you.
like
Yeah.
because people I think were studying for exams and things and they were like don't
They
do
were
it.
more interested in the dance fest, which I would also be more invested in because the dance competition in any college festival is
It's
the
legit.
most. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
legit.
Yeah, it's
It
the
is.
most watched
Yeah.
thing.
It's
Yeah.
so cold also there is a vent like
Yeah.
showering
See,
it's-
that's sobering you down.
I am so cold right now.
Okay, let's fix that.
Are you cold as well?
I'm
Should we
wearing
do
a-
another shot? As we wait for the
She's the one who said,
She's
I'll
the
only
one
do
who's,
one.
She's like, I'll stick to only one shot. And then you've sipped on your shot.
that's
and
why
she's
I
still
didn't
speaking
say
and she's still
anything.
sipping on that same drink.
I'm down,
No,
bro.
no, not
fill,
cool.
Fill me up. Let's
So,
go.
you
should we just do another?
Yeah, let's
Let's
do.
do another.
Yeah, I got
Yeah,
it.
Nana,
bro.
why don't you finish that so we can do
Check
another?
that Dunzo.
Aisha's a different person right now. Do we wait or just do we keep
Should we
going?
just
We
keep?
can keep
Yeah, we
talking.
should keep
You
going.
guys put like elevator music over these parts.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, how are you gonna edit this out? I wonder.
We just like mute it.
We
Girls want
We
shots.
don't bother editing any of it. We just keep all of this in.
I love it.
So it'll just be like stupid. It'll just be silent. Or we'll put something. We'll put her laugh. Oh shit, that'll actually cut views.
What?
No.
Yeah, my laugh
Her
will
laugh?
actually
Keep her
like.
laughing loudly.
Nana's offended. She's offended, and
I'm like,
I'm
we're not that close. Don't start talking about honest
That's
truth.
how I am going to be.
Yeah, just keep it inside. Huh?
I
You
love
only
it.
said-
He does this to almost everyone, like in
Yeah.
real life also. I love seeing it not work.
Okay, so this had nothing to do with us. People
yeah,
are dicks
yeah.
to you because your dick's back.
Yeah.
So that's what I think
Yeah.
people watch
So-
some episodes before coming and their guards are up. They're like, before they fuck with us, we'll fuck with them.
Yeah.
I haven't seen any of
And
you.
sometimes I'm just trying to be nice.
I didn't even know you guys existed. So low-key, like.
You replied in 10 minutes, bro. I messaged you and you
Yeah,
were
because I was replying to like 500 other people
Yeah,
giving
but
me
honestly, like being defensive is like muscle memory right now, right?
It
After the
really
show,
is,
After
yeah.
y'all being bitchy.
we have our A game on. If you want us to be dicks, it's on.
Should we just
on.
should we just do an entire segment? Thank
Yeah,
you.
treat us like one of the poor kids on the show.
Bro, we.
It's a weird fetish, but okay. Weird
You,
thing.
you don't get to talk about weird fetishes, bro. You
Yeah.
cucked out your boyfriend on the show.
So what, man?
It's
That's not
2022.
weird. It's 2022.
Open your
It's
perspectives
2023.
and
Get
minds.
the memo.
These girls don't know what year it is, bro.
It was 2022 when I was
I love how they're
filming.
like girls
And
don't
both
know
of
what
them are
year
like
it is.
2022.
That's
so
the like
confidently.
one thing we had
Yeah.
like against
Girls,
them.
they just don't
Brother,
know.
you
They
were
don't know what
supposed to-
year it is.
No, these girls specifically, not all girls.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Exactly what I'm saying. You were supposed to have this with everyone.
Yeah.
Huh? No, we did one episode where one of the guests was kind of like being a dick to me and I was like being nice to them. So I
Yeah.
looked like a proper pussy. So now,
What's wrong with
What's-
looking like a
yeah,
proper
what's
pussy,
wrong with
man?
looking like a
it's
pussy?
2023, man. Let's look like proper pussies.
Yeah.
See, y'all have got to him.
I know. It was meant to happen. It's
No, this
really
is all love.
special for us.
I think we should just do
so
more shots
happy.
and be friends and hug. No, but he's drinking water and
He just had
I
a shot.
already had my shot.
Exactly
Yeah.
what I told him. I
You
was like,
guys
bro,
got
that's-
under my skin. I need to
Y'all
drink.
You're
didn't
just
put
like-
anything in
The
it.
nerves got to him.
Anything. I'm a young, small,
I would
fragile.
also
Young.
like if you.
That is
Yeah.
someone help her.
Fragile girl. This is my first time drinking.
I would also love if you give me like a glass of Sprite as a chaser. So my friend Desiree and I, we've been drinking for an eternity together, and what we do is we do a shot and we do like a glass of a chaser, and I find that that's the only palatable
chase.
way to drink booze,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Because you don't really want to taste the drink and then go through the effort of drinking a drink to get drunk. You just kind of want to.
But why would you not want to like taste the alcohol?
Because alcohol is disgusting tasting.
Just 2 minutes ago, she said alcohol is delicious.
It's fun and therefore delicious.
Delicious for the soul.
Delicious for the soul.
Yeah.
Views.
For the view. Oh my god, I feel so bad
We
for your
need- we should
podcast
probably-
already.
Yeah. So is this podcast going somewhere, or we're just like doing this thing?
Yeah, we're just. I think
See,
now
I
we're
think we're
just
just
having
hanging
fun.
out now.
Now we're
I'll
just
tell y'all,
having
it's
fun.
just gonna be us having fun.
Oh,
We
awesome.
chat shit.
But we're
You
chatting
don't-
so much shit.
Shit,
Like
which
we're
is
so many
perfect.
shots in. We're
Thank
just
you.
having a drunk
Cheers.
party at this
That's
point.
perfect.
Sorry?
I think at some point we should play
I know,
some music.
thank you. I appreciate that.
We'll just talk. We'll chill.
I'm so dude. These are their jobs, dude. We've just come here. This is like their work, and we've come here and we've started drinking and talking.
Are you guys
shit.
on LinkedIn?
Yeah.
You
I'm
are.
a working professional.
Oh.
Damn,
You don't
dude.
have
I
to say
still
it
don't
like
have
that.
a
I believe
LinkedIn.
you.
I'm a working
I believe you,
professional.
dude.
Fresh out of school and now I'm
Nice.
working.
Nice.
Noise.
What do you do?
So I was doing marketing for a firm.
Mm-hmm.
Now I've joined my dad's agency where we're working in waste management.
You did it again, bro. I told you if anyone asks you
Tell us
what you
about
do,
waste
you're a
management.
DJ.
And I'm a DJ as well.
Yeah,
You're
you start with
literally
that.
Yeah.
Veera Huja.
I don't know who that is.
Thank
Veera
you.
Huja
Like
is
he
the
also
mother
comes under the
show guy.
cohort of people who have to do like
No, and I'm also a DJ.
80,000 things to sustain themselves in Bombay, right?
Dude,
It's
you,
very-
You
it's-
have to do 80,000.
You
things.
have to do 80,000 things. So he does like 80,000 things. We do 80,000 things. Everybody has to kind of do
Yeah.
way too many things to
Yeah.
live. So-
You're chaser.
You're chaser.
thank
So.
Yeah.
okay, shall we get to it then?
Yeah.
I already drank mine.
Okay, so get him another. Yeah, get him another,
Yeah.
please. Thank you.
But honestly, like I genuinely feel like
Ice.
we're past that place of having one job, especially if you're a creative. You need to have like
But I feel
multiple sources of
anyone has to
income.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't know where the trend is going and what
Yeah.
work gets you money at what time.
Because like we all put money in crypto, all of us are sitting
We're all
here.
fucked, basically.
Yeah.
Just and me.
All our savings.
And you.
And me. Yeah, but the only struggle with that is like it's really difficult for clients to have like a broad understanding
Yeah.
and patience with what you do. If they
Yeah.
can't put you in a box and be like, I have to call this person for this thing,
Yeah.
then it's a struggle on your end.
And I think a lot of us are actually finding it really difficult post class as well.
Yeah.
Because we've gotten so bracketed
Yeah.
in what we do.
Not even typecasted, just bracketed. They're like, oh, they're actors. So we can't call them as models. We can't call them
As social media people, we can't call them as. They're so utterly confused. And I think that's the interesting thing about being a kid from the industry or being a kid not
Yeah.
from the industry. And none of us are. So all 11 of us, we're not industry kids.
Yeah.
We're not technically full-time actors. We've done a bunch of things before. We've come in to do this. We've had full-time jobs.
Yeah.
We've dabbled in basically everything, and that's what it's like living in Bombay. That's what it's like surviving. I mean, all of you guys do it as well, right? We have so many things we're good at,
Yeah.
and that you have to have many hats to make it. And I think it's kind of unfair, right?
It's really unfair.
It's super unfair, and even during promotions, and one would think that post class coming out it would be all good, and we'd be able to sort of deal with everything.
Yeah.
But it's more difficult than ever.
I need an intern.
I
or
need an
assistant.
intern. I need somebody.
If somebody
I
wants
thought
to
you
do
have an
this.
intern already.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Slick. Real slick.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
was an inside joke. Outside of this is gonna miss on it.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, I know. Let's have an OnlyFans where we discuss.
We
my
kind of have an
intern.
And
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans. No one
OnlyFans
discusses
is-
anything on OnlyFans.
There's a lot of business discussed on
Pretty
OnlyFans.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is what it is. Is it? Is that?
Yeah.
You have a subscription
Yeah.
with that bio waste money?
Yeah. Bio waste, the waste management.
Waste management money.
Sorry. Very different.
Okay,
thing.
let's get
Yeah, let's
fucking
do this.
shots then.
Oh, cheers.
Yeah,
I
they're
was
too
only
far
supposed
off.
to do one, but I think I've done.
You're the one who suggests every 1 second.
Dude, I have things to do after this, man. Fuck. Okay.
Either we have a shoot or we have to drive down to
Pune.
Pune. So cheers.
Cheers.
Nah, bro, don't worry. I'll drive. Cheers.
So, okay, I want to ask you guys. I mean,
Yeah.
since you watch so much of the show, staring at
No,
you
I still don't know what
specifically.
happens in the end. I haven't
I
finished
know, I
it.
was being sarcastic.
Okay.
as
Give me chase
fuck.
Sorry.
What did you think? Did you think that the women were well written?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Nana's just gone for it.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun. Yeah. Like, I really liked Sabah's character. Because I was like, okay, this makes sense. Even you guys, like,
supposed to have it as
I think what was written for you, it was done very well. And if you were supposed to be the villain of the show, I don't know what happens in the end. But, like, it was fun to watch. Like at the start, I was like, okay, I haven't ever seen anything like this, so I don't know where this is going. But then after the first 2 episodes, I was like, okay, now I get it. Because this hasn't been done in India before. I don't think anyone's done anything like this in
Yeah.
India.
And what did you guys think about like all the queer stuff?
Honestly, I've watched
Yeah.
Elite. I watched Elite before it was famous.
Yeah.
So when I found out that Class was an adaptation of it,
Yeah.
I wasn't too sure that they'd do a good enough job because Elite was very out there.
Yeah.
It was showing a different life of people, which everyone knows happens, but no one is really accepting, or it's not spoken about that much.
Yeah.
In India at least.
Yeah.
So for me, on like a friend of ours was offered a role in Class. So the principal's son.
Dhruv.
Okay.
So my friend was offered that. So I knew that this show was in the making
Right.
because he told me that he had passed on that opportunity. And when it came out, I just saw the trailer and I was like, it seems pretty good. And last night we were watching a little bit of it because we were like, we have to do some homework before we get there.
Thoda
सा तो
10
देखना
minutes on
पड़ेगा.
1x.
Yeah, they've
Yeah.
only invited us.
Yeah, but it was very well done. Like
Okay.
how much ever I watched, like 2 episodes.
Yeah.
Even like you said, the queer scenes and all, it was not over the top, nor was it something that would make the audience feel uncomfortable.
No, it's not about
And-
that, bro. I'm just happy that the show is doing
Exactly,
well
it's
because
showing-
it shows that people want this. People know
Yeah.
that this exists. People know that this is what's happening, and they're giving it love.
Yeah.
I think if this show was made like 4 years ago, there would be like an uproar. People would be like, "How the fuck? Like this
yeah,
is
how can you all show two dudes
this is not
making out
Indian
with each other
culture."
shirtless? Everyone
You
would be
don't
like
think
really
2 years
pissed
ago
off.
people would have been a little bit more receptive?
2
Really?
years ago,
I mean, sorry, like 4 years ago, don't you think people would have been more
not
receptive?
really. I feel they
Why?
would have.
There was the same time as Secret Games was happening, and like there was a trans character on that, and she got to do a lot more.
Yeah,
But you have to realize you're playing high school kids. And
yeah.
this is like,
the
these
high
are
school
kids.
life. People don't want to agree or accept the fact that their children also do these things.
But
Yeah.
4 years ago, there was boys' locker room.
Yeah, so that was another.
But boys'
But
locker room
boys-
was a weird
it's-
thing.
Yeah, but it was like freaking maniacal, and it was really. It kind of gave you like a view into what was really going on in schools. People thought
Yeah.
schools were this cookie cutter situation, but everyone here has been bullied or like been privy to really vile things happening around us in high school.
Yeah.
I mean, I can speak for myself.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
You can speak
So
for me
I
also.
mean,
Not
it's like, I think it's one of those not so well kept secrets. There's just a really thin membrane between the truth and
Yeah. But
people
to
want
show
it to
it
be.
so explicitly,
yeah.
it's never been done before. I don't think it's
Oh,
been,
for
yeah.
sure. I mean, I feel like 4 years ago it would have been a lot.
Have you guys gotten any like backlash so far?
Not-
like
no,
on,
not
But
online?
maybe
No.
the male characters might have.
I think it's funny
Some
that
of
the
your
only
co-stars?
the only
So,
backlash
so.
we've really gotten is that it's a copy of Elite.
But it's an
But I mean,
adaptation.
it's not.
stupid.
It's an
That's-
adaptation.
it's an
It's-
adaptation.
Netflix owns the IP. They can make an adaptation.
Yeah.
You know, The Office that we love
Yeah.
so much
Yeah.
Was
is
an
an
ex- yeah.
adaptation.
Exactly.
Or
You know,
Call My Agent.
Or Call
is-
My Agent. That was an adaptation, and people loved that. So, to be fair, that's the only backlash we've really gotten. In fact, like it's ridiculous because people really took to Farooq and Dhruv. They
Yeah.
really loved it, and I really loved it. It wasn't a token homosexual relationship. There was a lot of thought that was put into
Yeah.
it. There was this historical aspect to it. It was the relationship that everybody at the end of it was
Yeah.
championing. It was the only really non-toxic
It was the
relationship
only
to come out
Yash
of
Raj
it.
relationship.
It was the only Yash Raj
Yeah.
relationship to exist. So
Yeah.
it's funny that
Oh, yeah,
it's
so India must have,
wonderful
like,
that
supported that.
everybody
Yeah.
has ended up supporting that
There was a religion angle to it as well.
Yeah.
a religion
Yeah.
and people were concerned. People were really concerned that that wouldn't fly, but it has.
It has.
And that's very telling. And I think it's
It-
wonderful that finally we're
Yeah.
able to make a show like this.
There's a caste angle also, which I was like, fuck, that's brave. Because
It's
like
very brave.
on this podcast, we have one rule: we don't touch religion, we don't touch caste, because
People are too scared to.
Yeah.
being scared is one thing, and we're like, I don't know anything about caste at
Exactly.
all.
No,
so
you
like, I
don't.
don't want to talk about it.
Because we're in this sort of privileged
Bubble.
position here,
Yeah.
even
Yeah.
who we are. We're way too privileged to be talking about these things. We don't know anything. And to cautiously approach topics like this and to receive, basically no backlash, that's pretty cool.
Commendable.
That's very
Yeah.
commendable. I think they did a really good job. We're not talking about just how well
I don't think
we have broached
Yeah.
certain things
Yeah.
that would have been very difficult to broach otherwise. I don't think it's like a 4 years too late or 4 years too early thing.
Yeah.
I think it's just the way we have sort of figured out how to tread these boundaries.
No, my 4 years too early argument is only that I feel like the show, in terms of exploring characters and allowing everybody to just be a person and not like making somebody, and not really exploring what the gray is, would have worked at any point of time because it would have pushed people to think. And
But-
that's literally.
But when I bring
yeah.
that up, it's
Yeah.
so this show, when it's on Netflix, it's going to tier 3 also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's where the pushback happens. Like when I say 4 years too early, AIB existed
Yeah.
4 years ago, and the stuff that they did, we are saying much worse things on this podcast.
But, yeah.
Not this specifically, but just on Untriggered.
Yeah.
We've
All
said
we're
much
doing here
worse
is
things.
getting
And
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, who does that?
Who does that?
Does that.
no, but people are ready for it now. Like there's been a shift in culture. There's
That's
been
true.
like I don't know if you guys go on Reddit,
Yes, we do. We do.
but like the stuff
We
they
do.
say out there, like
Yeah.
this new generation, they're down for like really dark
DTF.
stuff.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, they're
They're down to find
like
They're down to
information.
find
That's on DTF.
DTFI. Yeah.
See, we have to teach her the new abbreviation of DTF.
What is the new abbreviation of DTF?
We'll tell you later.
Arey yaar.
We'll let you know later.
ठीक है, ठीक. Okay,
So
so
are you, like,
my
making
only
regret it?
sadness from the whole thing was that honestly, like every female friendship on the show is so fucking.
Wait, I thought you guys are good. Have we
Evil.
not gotten far enough to?
No,
No, let
we are
her
okay.
complete
Yeah.
her sentence.
We love each other, but like Yashika and Koel are always plotting behind each other's backs. Suhani and Koel are plotting behind each other's backs. Sabha bechari, she's just,
Sabha and
she's just
Yashika,
not
yeah.
catching a break.
Okay, but don't you feel like that's how most female friendships are?
No.
No.
What?
See, I'm asking you from a male perspective.
no,
Yeah.
I know, I know, I
myself
know.
don't
Look,
know.
and I understand that, and I understand that the male perspective also is widely dependent on what they see online, and
Yeah.
and I think that's why like filmmakers as well. I think they have a role to play in
Yeah,
how
in
they
changing
project
that, yeah.
and show people what
Yeah.
true female friendships are like. And I don't think that we've really figured it out or bridged the gap.
Yeah.
So just like Naina said, like the female friendships, for instance, like the Suhani Koel or the
We're just not
Koel
allowed
Ashika
to be
or the
friends.
Ashika Sabha. Yeah, we're not,
not
allowed to be friends
friends.
on screen, which is
But what about in
crazy.
real life?
Because we are friends in real life.
Yeah,
In fact, female friendships are the things that have gotten a lot of women by
Yeah.
years and years and years of
Like just
everything, their
Everything.
whole lives, trauma. I mean, the only
one
thing
gets
that
it.
sustains
Yeah.
another woman by the end of
Genuinely.
it, point blank,
Is being bi.
another woman. What?
no, but
By
I'll
the
tell you,
end of it.
oh my God, I'll tell you something. I grew up with only guy friends. I always at any point in time had like 6 really close dudes, and my mom was always like, "Hey, you know, you really
That's a
need to
red
make."
flag, na? Your mom
Yeah.
said.
Yeah, she said it's very mauve. Yeah.
No, I'll be honest with
Mauve.
you.
It's like a cranberry magenta.
So I mean, but she was like, "You need to make female friends." I'm like, I really don't know how to
You don't
cross
get
that
along with
threshold. I don't seem to find people who I can connect with. But in the lockdown, I started boxing, and I made 11 female friends, and we love to just beat each other up and get
All
coffee.
boxers?
All boxers. We're
Maybe
all
you got along with them because like
sure, whatever the reason being. Now
So you're
they
like
are,
beating each other up now.
we love it. I made one girl bleed, and I was like, "Oh my God, I'm so sorry." She's like, "Fuck yeah, do that again." I was like, "Yeah, what's up?"
That was
What's
hard. That was hard.
I mean, fuck fetishizing these female friendships. I think they're very
Oh, it's
important.
needed. It's the only thing
It's
that gets
very
you through.
needed. It's the only thing
Yeah.
ultimately by the end of it that gets people through.
Yeah.
I've had very long-standing, very important female friendships that have been crucial to who I am and how I think and how I do things. And I mean, that's just a fact. And I don't think this is necessarily documented in the entertainment industry.
Ever.
And I don't think it was
You know, it's
necessarily
so fucking-
documented on
Most of
Elite
my
either, on our show
Yeah,
either.
not really. You know what's really funny? Every time they like talk about female friendships on screen, it's like just 5 women getting together and talking about how much they love giving blowjobs. No woman
No.
loves.
Are you
Woman
talking about
loves
one?
giving
Are you
blowjobs.
talking
wait,
about one
wait,
specific
hold up.
show?
No, wait. First of all, to be honest, in my personal life, I've
Yeah.
never seen a single decent female friendship. Okay, that's lasted.
Thank you.
No,
I think
that's
it's
lasted.
rare.
Hasn't seen.
No,
We
I'm
haven't.
no,
on
she's
screen,
no,
right?
no, in real
Oh,
life, in personal life, yeah.
Oh, okay, that's strange.
Every time I've brought like in whatever relationships I've been, like the girl is either constantly complaining about her female friends.
Puneri.
Yeah, maybe it's a Pune thing.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Bye.
No, I think it's also. I think it's much more.
Maybe it's just the
ingrained than
girls
that.
I was with.
No, I'm sorry. Yeah.
No, it's a lot more ingrained than that. Like, honestly, the way women even look at themselves and look at other people, and this I've literally found out very slowly. It's a slow burn through life, is through like a male gaze, sorry to say, and is through like thinking that, okay, this is what I've seen female friendships like on screen. I've seen competition on screen. I've seen women being snarky on screen. I think that's how female friendship is.
But also, it's the opportunity.
But it's not
right?
like that.
No,
I mean,
I'll tell you. Sorry to cut you, but
Yeah.
honestly, like he said,
Yeah.
at least in Pune,
Yeah.
like probably you were right.
At
Because
least in
we are born and brought up over
Yeah.
there. We have not really had the opportunity to explore or see other friendships outside of Pune. But whatever we've seen is very bitchy friendship between women.
Yeah.
And these are like friends that who have grown up together.
Exactly.
They've, like their
Yeah.
families are they go out
So like,
on vacations and they're
with
just like
boys, it's
Yeah.
like, you'll abuse the shit out of each other, but you don't mean it. Like, I can abuse the shit out of him right now and we'll go home together in the same car.
I think
Holding
this is,
hands.
this is also.
But
honestly, that's honestly my appeal to women. Like, firstly, figure out what you're looking at in a friendship.
Yeah.
And secondly, trust me, you need a female friend in your life. It's honestly like looking at rom-coms and saying, oh, that's how people fall in love. And the guy should show up running across a bridge to tell me he loves me, and that's the only way I'm going to believe that this is the guy for me.
Yeah.
That never happens, right? I don't see you making excuses for men being romantic. So that's not how real life is. And women, genuinely, if you find like the right fit, and I know that that's tough because of all of the things that we've really been brainwashed to believe over a long period of time. But when you find that fit, it hit different.
I'll believe it when I see it.
But
Okay,
also,
sure.
no, but also I will say that like, in general, because things are not necessarily equal, I think a lot of the roles, even in our professional space, because there are fewer opportunities for
So
women
Yeah.
in general.
competition.
That's true.
Unfortunately, we are pitted against each other. The females, the sex ratio is completely off in the country. We all know that. That's no joke. These are actual facts. These are actual variables. Because of things like this, unfortunately, women are pitted against each other. This also, in addition to entertainment projecting us completely off, adds to it.
Yeah.
And this is unfortunately why, I mean, this adds to it, right? This also adds to the fact that we believe that like women are unfortunately competition to other women. This is not true. I think the minute we realize that only by empowering each other,
like
by
make room at the
sticking
table,
around,
yeah.
make room at the table,
Yeah.
giving opportunities to others, this will only increase the opportunities for all of us within the workspace as well. And so, I mean, it's not our fault. It's nobody's fault.
Yeah.
We can't defeat generations and generations of patriarchy, generations of us believing that we're here against each other and we're here to fight with each other. It's impossible to
Yeah.
figure out right now, but the more we have these conversations.
Conversation.
Yeah, he's so
I'm
switched
so
off.
drunk.
He's switched off on this
He's like,
conversation
I'm
5
done
minutes
with
ago.
He's just like,
He's like, Didi, some chicks
Should
really
we do
irritated
another
When-
shot?
when-
Because
doing this.
I'm not slurring enough for this conversation. I'm not Should we do another shot?
she said patriarchy and Suvi's eyes went.
Yeah, I saw that. He fucking checked his phone.
Maybe we should. I
don't even have my phone.
saw that.
Give him the chashma, I think.
Yeah, wear this. So
Yeah.
you
Wait,
offend me
wait.
less.
You said all of
I
this
won't roll
have
my eyes.
Aisha. Have you ever gotten into a
I look
proper
like I got a
cat fight?
cataract operation.
Have I gotten into a proper cat fight?
Yeah.
Never.
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 It's.
Does this have power by any chance?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
That's just you.
That's just too many tequila.
I'm not drunk. The floor is moving. Yeah, it's one of those. No, I haven't.
Yeah. I think
I
even on the
haven't.
show, off screen, there was ample opportunities for us.
There were ample opportunities to have everything go down to shits.
Yeah. And
But they
roadblocks
didn't.
between us.
And roadblocks.
But that's you guys
they
being
still
professionals.
No.
No?
I think it's just it's an understanding of the world, dude. It's an understanding of
Yeah.
everything. And I know a lot of the conversation goes about like, why didn't they get actual 18-year-olds to play
Yeah.
18-year-olds?
You
Why didn't they
cannot.
get actual 19-year-olds to play 19-year-olds?
No one
And
wants
I
to
think
see
this
that.
is just the life experience that comes
Everyone
with
wants
it.
to
Yeah. No. So let me tell you to that. When the audition first came, I was. I really wanted to audition, and they said, "No, sorry, you're too old for the audition." I said, "Okay, cool, whatever."
You think you can do better?
I knew I could do better. And I
No,
was like,
them. You said that to them. Is that you think you can get
no,
better?
I was like, okay, Jao, find
Huh.
somebody who can do this role.
Yeah.
Find whose parents will allow.
Yeah, find and show.
Yeah. Find somebody who can maintain the balance of being sexy, of being in control, of being graceful, and find me that person who doesn't
Also
make it
being
look
able
like
to
freaking
navigate this
poor.
industry
Yeah.
without any connections, without any
Yeah.
support, any help, any financial aid, any guide.
Yeah.
It's difficult for an 18-year-old to end up doing.
fucking
you know.
18-year-old.
Fucking
Bring me
18-year-old
anyone.
babies
Like, bring me
dealing
any
with
fucking
college.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it came back, and it did come back, and I auditioned, and I did it very responsibly. I spoke to my family.
No, was it uncomfortable like doing some of the scenes that you did, or like?
Sure. Of course.
Yeah, so that's what I'm.
But like,
Massively
sorry.
Yeah.
Like when you all are shooting such scenes,
Yeah.
do you like prefer of lesser people around?
Uh,
Or what?
it's-
How does
it's
it
a
work? 'Cause
protocol.
But the
we don't-
people who are there.
People, the better.
No, the
yeah, but it's like
No, it's a protocol.
Yeah.
We have an intimacy coordinator on set. There's supposed to be 8 people on set. But even then, when you're sitting there in your most trying to mirror your most private moments, and there's a boom rod in your face and a focus puller who can see your face orgasm, and I say the words orgasm, it is the most uncomfortable feeling that
Also,
any
there are
human
about
can
like
go
100 crew members looking at you
Yeah.
in the face, holding the boom.
8.
Yeah, okay.
That
8 for
eight
you,
is only
perhaps.
Yeah.
Looking at you in the face, giving you direction, telling you to do it again and
Yeah.
again and again, and to stop and to pause and to start. And it is extremely nerve-wracking.
It's
It
really
is
nerve-wracking.
very difficult to do.
Yeah.
and to make it look real.
To make it
Yeah.
look real, I think this show, I think we've managed to, we've been the one odd Indian show or film
Yeah.
or whatever to be able to make the intimate scenes look very real and to not
Yeah.
look strange.
not the flowers,
Yeah.
not the sunflowers kissing
not,
each other.
not have
shit.
sunflowers kissing.
You
and
have you
it's-
guys not watched all
honestly,
Balaji?
it's
ever?
ballsy to do. It's ballsy to do because we're young,
Yeah.
we're not necessarily actors. It's extremely ballsy to take on, and it's difficult to make it look real and sexy. And I think you managed to do it. So
Where's my blue
thanks,
tick?
man. Where's your fucking blue
Thank you.
tick? You managed to make it look real,
Thank you.
and
It was very fake.
See, that's how good she is.
she is,
It
yeah.
was very fake.
No, but
That
like
means your boy has
No,
a
dude,
big
kudos.
time.
It's ballsy. It's difficult. We live in India. We have South Asian parents. It's hard, dude.
Yeah,
it's
it's
hard. There's so much social shit to deal with, and you made sure you made it look.
But how is it like after the shot is done, you're backstage, you're just like, oh, okay. Like, No, like with your co-star.
We do a really awkward like bro hug.
Yeah. That was sick,
We're like,
bro.
yeah, good. yeah, bro. None of that. Dude, honestly, there is nothing more unromantic and unsexy about shooting sex scenes.
Yeah, shooting sex scenes.
You're
is the
sweating
it's like
'cause there's so
there
many
is
lights
not
on
a
you.
person
Yeah.
getting
Yeah.
a hard on. There's
No.
not a single
It's a
human
soft.
being.
It's you going back inside.
Yeah, it's literally you going back inside. Like I remember even Zen during our sex scene, he had like a dick guard on.
Yeah, you get
know,
the
and so
L
he was
guard.
like thrusting at me with this hard.
With his hard on.
What if that wasn't that wasn't a
Limp
guard?
the entire time.
That was not a guard, is what I would say.
There was nothing sexy about
Yeah,
it.
so basically.
And there's
yeah.
Oshim in the background saying, make the car move.
Yeah.
You know, make sure you're moving the car. And there are guys in the back like moving
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
car to make it look like we're
That's-
really getting into
That's
it.
good
Yeah.
though.
It's, I mean, there's nothing
I mean,
unsexier than
There's
doing a
nothing
sexy.
I honestly, I studied to be an intimacy coordinator after the show because I was like, I need to get into this. Also because it's such a great opportunity. How unprofessional.
That ran through all of our heads. It's okay.
No, also because it's a really great opportunity to define Indian intimacy.
Yeah.
It's so culturally rich
Yeah.
and between classes, between backgrounds and circumstances, there's so much. Like a woman holding a chunni in her mouth means something here.
Yeah. And we basically invented the Kama Sutra, right? So like
Yeah, basically.
imagine it not
Basically.
being and imagine it
Yeah.
not being represented at
Yeah.
all.
Yeah.
You
in
can't
the
like
entertainment
adopt
industry.
Western styles of intimacy. Like you can't
We
adopt
fucking
Western styles of
figured it out. We
horror.
invented
Yeah.
it. So
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
for us to be able to like sort of
Imagine.
regain that and reimagine
Yeah.
that's super powerful.
Yeah.
That's very cool. I'm
Yeah.
glad we bridged this gap and
Yeah.
we sort of figured it out again.
So learn a thing or two.
Props to
From the
Bunny,
show?
Koel, and Sharan.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a third guy the next time I'm doing it.
Third guy, what's happening with the second one?
Oh, my bad. My math is
No,
off. My math is off.
No, all good, dude.
Yeah,
Pop
okay.
off, as they say.
Someone's teaching you all the. You're just telling you to teach.
Just
you
me
all
and my
these,
sister.
What do you mean,
Just
man?
pop off and all of that.
You're really young, dude.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Really?
Yeah, your commentary is mid, if at best.
We're also young.
We're younger
Yeah.
now. Do we do another shot?
She's supposed to. No, she's the only
Oh,
one.
she's
who
the
calls
she's the
shots.
shot
I'm
coordinator.
the only one who has
shot.
Aisha is the
Papa.
youngest over
Video.
here. She's the only one who
Yeah.
calls the shots. So
I think
whenever Aisha
call the
says, we
shots.
drink.
Should we do it? Have you finished yours?
I'm always at
Okay,
it.
I
I'm
think we should
always.
do it.
I'm
She's
always.
still sipping on
I'm
it. Can you
enjoying
believe it?
Enjoying
the
like
most
anything.
Bombay thing you can say. I'm enjoying
Enjoying.
what?
I think we should do
You're
another
just
shot.
enjoying.
Let's do another shot.
Shots are delicious.
Dude, I'll never say no to another shot.
Finish that.
You know,
I
we
know
had
you
this.
can do also.
We had a plan that we
Aisha,
were
you
going to
were
do
joining.
like a live
This is good enough.
or a
No.
podcast of
No, we
us
don't need any
answering
more
juicy
slides.
questions as our hashtag.
Oh my god, yeah, we forgot. We
Yeah.
completely forgot.
And we thought we'd get
about
drunk
the
for it.
agenda.
Yeah, we're called hashtag Nasha.
No,
Nasha.
Nana.
Nana
yeah.
and Aisha
It's
are.
called Nasha.
Yeah,
Yes.
we're Nasha.
So Nana and Aisha, we're hashtag Nasha, where we're bringing back female ships.
And just being hot.
And
Okay,
we're
one
just
second.
yeah,
One
I know
second,
everybody's
Nasha.
shipping the male and the
Nasha.
female and the male and the male. No one's shipping.
It's called Sasta
female
Nasha
and
after
female.
Sasta Elite.
That was a good one.
Thank you.
No one's shipping the female.
Like कोई महंगी
friendship.
नशे करो यार. Netflix bring महंगे नशे.
So I called Sasta Nasha,
Yeah.
Nana and Aisha.
So that's a name given by you.
Yes.
Yeah, we invented it. We have
Y'all
to
coined
invent.
the term.
Yeah. of
Honestly,
course.
we have to invent everything.
Yeah.
There are no opportunities
Okay,
that are
just-
brought to us. We have to bring all the opportunities to ourselves. So Nasha.
Okay, now one second. Like a little deviating from Nasha.
Yes.
Is it true that all girls are bi?
No.
Yes.
One more shot for her. One more shot for Aisha. Actually, two more for Naina, bro. She's not drunk enough to say yes.
No, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I really would love to be
Bye.
at least bi.
Okay.
I would love it.
You're not?
I'm not. I tried.
See, exactly. That's the
Everybody
point.
tries.
See, you need to
Yeah.
be a little bi to try also.
No. Trust me. I did it and I was like, bhai, kuch nahi hua.
Yeah.
See,
okay.
that's the thing.
Yeah.
Like,
Acha, okay.
No, see, for me, I've always understood why a lot of women say that they're bi or they're bi. Because women are just like,
Better looking.
way
Yeah,
more attractive
yeah.
than men are, for
And
sure.
I feel this exactly
But
why.
honestly,
Yeah.
the reason we have to be
Exactly
better
why.
looking is that we're only given opportunities when we're better looking and we're trying harder.
I'm talking
Men
about
don't
like
have
in
to
general
try.
I'm
I
not
don't
life.
know.
talking about
but
that. We're just
actually,
saying, like,
as
So
Like,
as
if
in
you look at
by
the-
virtue of
no,
Acha,
naturally,
Acha.
women
Women
are
If you look
way
at
more
the male
beautiful.
body and the
Okay, if you
female
think
body,
so,
the
then
female
cool.
body is subjectively and objectively more attractive. And
Thank you.
it is, bro.
So that's the reason why I've asked like many people whether
Yeah.
they feel that all women are gay. Like not gay, like bi.
Bye.
Or y'all are at some point experimental.
Yeah.
Because as a man, you don't ever look at a guy and be like, oh, I might just try with him.
But you
Like,
know,
yeah.
men are actually more experimental than they allow themselves to say
True,
publicly.
very true.
I was shooting a documentary in Surat.
Okay.
And we were, of course, shooting we were shooting with like the trans community, and we were standing on the highway,
Hold.
and we were working with these.
Pass it on.
Honestly, like, yeah, trans people, and you will not believe the number of men that stopped. And these are heterosexual men who just basically, they are people who migrated to the city, and they can only afford a certain level of like
Yeah.
amount of money to pleasure themselves. So they opt for a trans person over a woman
Straight,
because it's slightly less expensive.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I honestly think that argument is a bit like lopsided, because
Yeah.
I think men are so far in denial of their bisexuality. Yeah.
For sure. Like,
Yeah.
I think it's an extreme thing. I think if you're not getting you're not getting laid at all, you would be open to experiment. Or if you're getting laid a lot, that you're like, okay, I've done this too many times, now I want to experiment.
You
I-
tell me, I have no idea.
which
So
end
we
of the
can't
spectrum are you
comment
on?
on the
Yeah.
male.
Yeah, we're not. No, the thing is, it came from a place where it was out of curiosity, because obviously, like, lesbian porn is something that is inbred in everyone since they are young.
Speak for yourself,
Speak
bro.
for yourself.
I was in an all-boys school,
I was
bro.
like, I
I'm
love
not
how you're
gonna-
Bro,
trying
I
to include
think
us in
to-
your narrative,
Yeah, I
but that's
know,
you, babe.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
But like, at least the people I've
Yeah.
seen or spoken to,
Yeah.
it's something that everyone has a fetish of, like a threesome. Every male has this fetish, whether they can or they cannot do it. But it is something.
I like he says every before each of his own fetish.
Yeah, I think pleasure is important if it's like equally like felt by two people, which is why that's totally okay. I feel like heterosexual porn is skewed. That's my only argument there. The reason why women have to gravitate towards like the other side or to like queer porn is because you're actually getting like a visual into women being pleasured.
Okay.
That's my argument. And to take that to back to the show is that I really enjoy that in the show, one, that there's a neutral gaze. Two, you can tell that there's a neutral gaze because Bully is the one being objectified and Bully's DMs are filled with crap, not
Yeah.
mine. And three, that the sex on Elite, at least in my... The
Elite,
sex
yeah.
on class. The sex
That
on
was a very
class.
nice
The
slip.
sex on class, at least in the track that follows Sharan Koyal and Bully, is about power. It's not about sex, it's about power. And
Yeah.
that's all we're looking at. It is the dynamic. That's
Yeah.
it. The fact that Koyal can play around and toy around with Bully on the pretext that, okay, maybe she'll get him like an exposure in a photo shoot or give him some
Something.
opportunity so that she can pleasure herself because her boyfriend isn't really
Yeah.
coming
Isn't doing
through.
the job, yeah.
Yeah, show me another woman who does that. Yeah, and you should. Yeah, exactly. Yashika's.
No, have we seen far enough to know if Yashika's
Yeah.
boyfriend is good at sex or not? I
We don't
know.
care at this point. Yashika she's freaking ambitious, right? She wants to get to Yale and Harvard. How the fuck is she going to do that?
Yeah, she has her family. That has completely absconded. Her dad has fucked off.
Oh, yeah,
her
your
mom
maids are
doesn't.
getting paid and shit. That scene.
No
She
one,
family
asked
doesn't
her-
give a
she
Justice
asked
for
her-
Yashika's
she's like,
maids.
"Aapka
no one is
salary
looking
aa raha hai?"
at this show for healthy solutions.
Yeah,
We're just saying that
we're looking for solutions, and we're looking
Solutions.
for the solutions within what our circumstances
Yeah.
are and what we're given. And at the
And you
healthy,
gotta
young,
take it.
ripe age of 18,
Yeah.
you
gotta
this
take
was
what you
her
get,
solution,
yeah.
and this is what she has taken, and
Fair
this is
enough.
what she hopes to get. So
Yeah. Pop off.
We really should not let her use this
Don't
pop
let her
off.
use-
You're supposed to chug your drink every time you say a Gen
Yeah,
Z
If-
term.
Shut up.
And chug it like the
yeah,
whole thing.
let's do
Bro,
a
I'm
shot
gonna-
because Nana
I'm-
said a Gen Z term.
I'm going to be honest, bro. After this, it's good night for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll be worse
I have
than
to
I
go
have
to
been so
work
far.
after this.
So
and
firstly,
does
you
Nana.
you've been sipping on your shots. You
What
say
do you
shot
mean?
and then you don't have the whole thing.
I don't have the girth.
The wherewithal.
Literally, none of us
What?
have. Oh, no.
I think girth is one of the words you don't...
Okay,
Okay,
cheers.
Cheers.
Just.
Oh, fuck. Actually, I think I'm pretty much done, dude. Like, this is crazy.
I'm waiting for you to sip on it because I'll finish
Fuck.
it in one sip.
What is this? Who taught you how to live? What's
My
going
trauma.
on?
He's
with
just
you?
a damaged
It's just
boy.
a trauma.
I'll wait for you to finish, then I'll do it. Huh?
She doesn't drink it. Finally.
Yes.
I mean, I can sip it in my own time, motherfucker.
You can.
know?
You can't say shots then.
I can say whatever
Say
the
drinks.
fuck I
It's
want.
2023.
Yeah,
We're
I can-
redefining
Wow, you
shots.
finally got the year right.
Yeah. Yeah. So anything interesting or useful you want to ask us?
Yeah, would you
What
like
was
to
the useful
ask
things
us
y'all would want to
things
discuss
other
about?
than sex and
yeah.
lesbian
Farts
porn?
and whatever the fuck kids are
Yeah.
talking
That's
about.
all
these
that we've
days.
discussed.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Okay, what would y'all like to talk about?
What do you guys think about Karl Marx?
Karl Marx.
Oh, the prototype.
I'm kidding.
She's like, fuck, bro, I have to bring my NID stage back.
Actually.
Let's say I'm a kid in school, okay, high school kid.
Yeah.
Like the 11th grade, 12th grade. I've never spoken to a girl before, okay? How, and I have no idea what the fuck to do.
Yeah.
How do you go about that?
Can I take that?
Yeah, take that.
Okay. I think genuinely
Female perspective,
from
like
a female
yeah.
perspective, I'll tell you the people that I was most attracted to in school were people who had other skills. So whether they were good at sports, whether they were great musicians, I think if you have a skill that defines your personality a little bit, it kind of just makes it so that you don't even have to try. Like if tomorrow you got into poetry or you were like acting or honestly low-key even like doing like getting 100 on 100 in math, I'd be like, what's up?
Really?
Yeah.
Math
What
race.
if he's
but honestly that would be a slow burn because I know that there are like social cues where like people only look at like the cooler things, but I would be thinking about you all the time.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
like
I got 99 on 100 in math.
I thought
And
about
then
you.
after that, I got like some
And here
70.
we are on a
Exactly.
podcast. I've been thinking about you for 5 years.
only 5.
yeah,
No, bro,
but I
20.
think someone who is funny and someone
Yeah.
who is
Funny
smart,
is
Personality.
somebody who has personality is definitely
Yeah.
someone.
The most
would-
attractive thing about a person, I don't think that age matters, is that you have something else going on for you and that's what you're really keyed into. If you're keyed into the fact that you want to attract the opposite sex, that is the most unattractive quality about it.
I know.
okay.
I
That's
know.
my-
So you don't like
Yeah.
someone who makes it very obvious.
No.
Makes it obvious is a different thing. It's like if all you can think about is like, yaar, मेरे को बंदी क्यों नहीं मिल रही?
Yeah.
या मेरे को बंदा क्यों नहीं मिल रहा? That's
Like that
that's-
desperation.
the desperation
Yeah.
is sad.
It's a turn
Yeah.
off.
But if you're like a double black belt and you're like representing, okay, even representing your school in like swimming or like rollerblading, who gives a fuck? But you have a skill that you like, you know,
Yeah.
pushing you forward
Yeah.
in your life. Then people
Rollerblading
find
also.
Anything, dude. I think
The bar
women
is low, bro.
genuinely
Should have
enjoy it.
rollerbladed in
That
school,
low.
bro.
It's very low, dude. It's very
It's
low,
low, dude, it's
Because
low.
most men think that finding, getting a woman to respond to them is just by incessantly messaging them or catching their eye, and that's not.
I
it.
think Bollywood
Hi.
films also have a
Good
huge
morning.
part to play
Hi.
in
Good
you know,
night.
stalkerism.
Wow, much effort
Do you
made.
do either of y'all like get messages from someone every day saying good morning, queen?
Hi.
Yes.
Good morning,
Yeah,
beautiful.
yeah.
And I'll tell you,
Yes.
the messages I would respond to are the ones that made an effort to either see what I'm about
Yeah.
or to pick like a specificity. If you're just like, hi, let's go out. No.
Yeah.
No, I mean,
respond
why
to
would I
random
respond
DMs?
to that?
Honestly, I was thinking this weekend I would actually sit down and respond because it's been really overwhelming since the show. I've got a lot of DMs and I really want to respond because I genuinely love and appreciate the comments that have come in. But if you're going to be like, hey, want to take you out? No, I'm not responding to you. Come up with something that took you at least 10 minutes. Because I wouldn't even acknowledge a dude to get into a relationship with if they literally came to me with the last thought they had while taking a shit. No, that's not it.
What if it was the first thought?
Still not it.
He started it and he's like,
Think
shit,
about
then
it.
I
Think
should
about-
message
I want
her.
a
Even though,
PPT.
like,
Yeah.
you're so beautiful, baby. What's
Yeah,
up?
but you know that.
Like,
Yeah,
that's
that's
not,
another voice that
like,
comes.
that's
Yeah.
not going to work.
that's
Yeah.
not gonna work. Yeah,
But they
that
do.
is how
Most
dudes
of
talk.
them- most of them do.
Literally, we put up
That'll
a
actually be
Yeah.
we put up a text thing yesterday, like
Yeah.
ask us questions. How are you so hot? मुझे नहीं
How are you
पता.
so
Yeah.
hot?
Ask my
Yeah,
parents. It's a
genetics
Why are you so
generational thing.
cute?
मतलब,
Yeah.
what क्या ही like exactly
Yeah,
dude
we
my
were-
parents had a part to play like what do you want me to say
They
to
had
them?
the
part to
only
play.
part to play.
They had a 3
the
minute part
only
to play.
part to play in a
Car somewhere.
no but genuinely I mean most of our DMs because we tried to do an ask me anything and all of it
it just
says
crumbled
In
into
how
this.
with your face?
How are you so
How
hot?
is it?
How you
How
got
are
this
you
No,
smile?
I'll be honest with you. All of that is coming from a place of not knowing what the fuck. That's why I asked you the question in the
agree.
first place.
I agree, which is why I went down to break it down so
So you're just saying get good at something.
Dude,
Like have something about you.
That's not what we're saying.
find an interest. Find an interest. If you have an interest, like even if your interest is podcasting, the most niche of interests, it's cool. Like do that thing. And then people will just come. You won't have to make an effort.
Hmm.
No, and
Yeah.
of course, and then just being interested in a very number of
Yeah.
subjects and having and liking someone who's interested in more
Yeah.
things than one obviously
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
Like tomorrow, if we
Yeah.
sat down and we had a conversation and you told me about like Renaissance paintings and what your
Yeah.
perspective is,
I'd be like, yes. Dude, bitch,
What?
yes.
Renaissance paintings.
Talk to
Yeah.
me.
Like, talk
I mean,
about
You're
it.
into Baroque.
How do we
Listen,
spell
talk
that?
to me.
R-E-N-Z.
Baroque.
No.
We're into this.
Yeah.
No,
Listen.
what you said is something that I also
Hey.
say a lot. Just like talk to girls as if they're fucking people.
We're people.
People as
yeah,
people.
we're
Yeah.
people.
No,
and the problem is
Don't
we're
try to
all
trick
people.
them into fucking you,
No,
bro.
like why are you tricking us into fucking you? Dude,
The-
we're people. We want
thing
to
with-
talk to you.
Yeah.
Talk to us.
Exactly. The thing
It's
with
very
most guys
interesting.
is that they get very conscious, I'm assuming, when talking to a girl, like someone of the opposite gender, someone they're attracted to, is because they have not been told that they're also human at the end of the day. They probably look at you at another pedestal and they're like, how do I get there?
Yeah.
And that's the biggest problem, at least what I've seen.
Yeah.
I'm sure. Yeah.
Again, like cinema has a huge role to play.
Yeah, cinema has a
Yeah.
huge role to
Yeah.
play.
You've seen these nerdy characters who don't know how to speak to girls. Like
Yeah.
even in-
Yeah, but to that I'd say there's a difference between a nerd and an incel.
Yeah.
So don't be an incel, be a nerd.
Don't be an insult. Be a nerd.
Yeah.
But incels,
Actually, being a nerd really works in your favor.
Yeah,
because
I-
you
A lot
are
of women
knowledgeable
love
about
I have
About it
only
for me.
ever fallen deeply in love
Same.
with nerds.
I've
Only ever fallen.
deeply, truly in love with
Madly in
nerds.
love with nerds.
Madly in love with nerds. It's always the nerds.
Renaissance nerd.
I'll pull
Like
up
he's
my
writing it
10th
down.
mark
So
sheet.
that's what I
the
think-
last time I scored well.
If you're looking for a long-lasting relationship, and I'm hoping that you're giving the woman a little bit of like space
Yeah.
to be a person,
Yeah.
right, and not an object that you're conquering,
Yeah.
then you have to give them the opportunity to laugh at your jokes, to find your intellect interesting,
Yeah.
to find like your core philosophies about life, something that they kind of gravitate towards.
Yeah.
If you're just gonna be like, hey, you're hot.
I think a lot of guys, they have zero female interaction for the longest time, and then they get to an age where people are looking for more things than just a decent person. Like if you haven't spoken to a girl properly while you're 22 and you're like 22, you're talking to other 22-year-olds,
Yeah.
then you need a lot more than
Yeah.
just being, oh, I play the guitar.
Okay.
So that's what happens is like they don't have that experience. Then they get to a place where they need more either financially or just like as a person. A lot of people are, bro, they go to school. They've been in school for what, 12 years. Then they go to college straight
Yeah.
up, stay in a boys hostel.
Yeah.
Zero female interaction. They're studying the whole time. Parental pressure, they have no money. They're focusing on so much
Again.
else, and then they're like, okay, now how do I get girls? They're fucking lost.
Okay, again, for me, that's a two-parter. One part is that I would still champion that someone be honestly and earnestly themselves, because that's what people really gravitate towards. You can only trick someone for so long till you
That's the reason why most relationships last for 3 months.
correct. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or my other thing is that, dude, as a dude, you are figuring yourself out. As women are figuring themselves out.
Yeah.
And it's a slow burn. If you stay true to who you are as a person, that, okay, maybe at 20 you might not luck out, but trust me, at 25, the women will also figure their scene out and
Yeah.
they'll find you. Dude, if you can just have the patience and the self-belief, the person will come to you. The companion will come to you. But
Yeah.
the minute you start trying to latch on to shiny things that have very, very limited shelf life, you will fuck yourself up somewhere. You might catch the woman, but you won't be able to sustain it. Or you might sustain it and you'll be so unhappy.
Yeah.
You'll be so unhappy. Don't be unhappy, dude.
I think it's
Yeah.
just really important to be yourself and to be a person with some sort of value, whatever that
Yeah.
value is.
High
trying,
value.
Yeah.
No, not even high value, bro.
Mid
trying
value.
to be who you are. That's important. Like,
So you're like someone unfiltered, someone who's themselves all
You
the
know,
time.
like love is also love
No,
is
it's just
also
like,
a
yeah.
two-parter in
no,
itself.
but love is a two-part. Exactly.
You
Yeah,
have to
exactly.
love and you have to be
Learned-
loved.
yeah.
Yeah, you need to show how to love and you need to be a person who can be loved. If you're going to be like freaking tere naam on someone, it's not sustainable. You
Why
can't be
not?
an ashik.
No, that's good.
It's
You brought that
volatile
up
as hell.
because then we get into that whole nice guy
Listen,
conversation
Dude,
where
listen, this nice guy conversation, like, I
Listen,
can't
most nice
They're not
guys.
having it with
I
most-
cannot stand
I
this
cannot
nice.
They're not having
stand
it
it.
with
I
I can't stand bad guys and I can't stand nice guys. Be an honest dude. Be an honest person who is uncomfortable when they are and they vocalize it. Who is comfortable when they are and they
Exactly.
vocalize it.
Yeah.
A bad guy will try to
Exactly.
fuck you up in
What is
different ways.
this like nice guys finish last conversation you're having?
Suddenly you're a nice guy and you think like you
It's
deserve the world.
ridiculous. Like, you deserve all the women you vie for.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
deserve all the women you've ever wanted. I mean, what is this? Attraction is a two-way street. I mean, if you want something, someone needs to want you back.
Back.
but
It's such a
I'm
fact.
a nice
Just
girl.
be the person you are.
Yeah.
Try to do right by you, by the person you want, and
That's it.
That's it. That's literally
dude,
it.
you're a nice girl. I'm a nice girl. I know what my shortcomings are.
I
and
know
I'll
what
work
mine
on
are. Yeah,
exactly.
and
And
I'll
I'll
work
work
on
on
them.
that.
Yeah,
It's not
exactly.
like I'm a nice girl, so I fucking
Like,
Ranbir Kapoor better leave Alia and come and hang out. No, that's not
We'll
it.
ask him. We'll ask him. Next time we meet
Please,
him. no?
please, Alia,
No, I
enjoy your
don't
life.
want him. It's
I don't
fine.
want
Like,
him. Yeah.
chill,
Enjoy
bro.
your
Like,
life.
enjoy your life.
Respect.
But I think what happens is like a lack of self-esteem and self-respect is mistaken for being a nice guy by the guy themselves. They're like,
Yes. Fair.
I'm so nice to everyone. I'll say anything. I'll do
But
anything
that's not
to.
what a nice guy is.
That's what
You
I'm
know,
trying to
that's
say.
how
It's
nice girls
mistaken.
are also.
I know, exactly.
They perceive themselves as nice guys because they are like that. So
Yeah.
that's what he's
A
trying to
nice
say.
guy is somebody who lets people know how they are feeling. If you are uncomfortable, say you are uncomfortable.
Exactly.
You can't be like, yeah.
Or
Yeah.
understand
Someone
them.
who's vulnerable.
Exactly.
If you're uncomfortable with the situation, say you are. If you're
uncomfortable.
okay pouring yourself and you're giving yourself out there,
Yeah.
you're okay with it.
What's the biggest turn off in a guy? Top 3 if you have more than
A
one.
lack of self-awareness. The end.
Delusion.
I think just toxicity in a man.
But toxic is
But
vague.
toxic-
And it's, dude, honestly, it's very easy to see. If you've been in like 1 or 2 or 3
Or
toxic relationships, you can see it. You can see it immediately, right? So, like, you know, somebody who's like, yo, why are you working too much? Or why are you hanging out with too many people? Why are you hanging out with too many guys? Why, like, just the
But that's insecurity.
The basic toxicity is
Yeah,
insecurity,
it's okay to be
right?
insecure.
Yeah, so I think that is a huge turn off. Any sort of
Say something shallow.
lack of,
Personally, for me, like curly hair, I'm not a big fan of curly hair.
dude, I'm like so unattracted. Like, I don't give a shit, honestly, about how people look.
Also,
It's just so,
do you all
because I'm
feel-
so asexual, I just don't care. You
You know what I don't like?
What?
short guys.
No.
No, I don't even give a fuck. I'm
Because, like,
Short
for
guys
many-
is a trauma, but
I'm
yeah.
Yeah,
so
it's a
tall. I
trauma.
don't
Yeah,
give a
because
shit,
you know, in 8th grade, like I was a tall kid, and all the guys used to come in, like all my friends used to come
Yeah,
in.
exactly. Same. I
measure
was so
themselves
tall.
against me.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
They use you like a measuring
Yeah,
tape.
She was
they
like
did.
the-
For 3 years.
She was like the
Flagship.
benchmark.
Yeah.
I was.
I was way too tall.
Yeah. I was the wall.
I was always taller than all the
Be
dudes.
better than the wall is what my
Yeah.
parents told me. But so even with the hype beast, I feel like you need to know where you're at, and I'm okay with going OTT. But like in Bombay, especially with the weather and the humidity, I went to like a sneaker fest, and everybody was of course in like sweat suits, and
Yeah.
like at least minimum 20,000 rupee shoes, but no deodorant, babe.
Also odor.
The stank.
Yeah.
So
The
body
fucking
odor
stank.
bothers you.
I'll tell you
Of
why
course,
the body
again
odor.
grooming.
It's just the ratio of like men versus women.
No, babe. No. Listen, I'm sorry, but there's a thing called roll-on. Use
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Like it happens to everyone. I know when I stink. Like but I'll like go out of my way to like.
But you
roll
want to know
on.
something about body
Yeah.
odor?
Yeah.
So there's these like It's called a pheromone match. Do you know what
I
that is?
knew what he was
Listen,
going
Yeah,
to
you-
okay, so to
that's
that,
a real
I knew what
thing.
he was gonna say.
But it genuinely is a
mammals,
real thing, yeah.
no, so scientifically speaking, mammals don't have pheromones.
Yeah.
Okay, that's like a reptile thing. But there is body odor that a
Some people
guy
are
may be
receptive
attracted to.
correct.
It will be the same with you guys. Like there might be a guy
We're
who's
not attracted to any sort of body odor.
No,
No,
bro,
I
like
don't-
there's
No,
so
it's
many
not-
girls
it's
who
not
like
odor.
sweaty guys.
Again,
It's not
I'm
odor
coming from a point
altogether.
of self-awareness. Please
Yeah.
allow me that.
You're attracted to deodorizing.
Where I'm like, okay, I understand
I hate
human
that.
smell,
Bitch, it's
Yeah.
better than your fucking armpit
but you
stank,
can't.
like
Okay, I'll,
Yeah.
You cannot not take a bath. You cannot not use deodorant. I'm sorry. Like that's bare
Once in 2
minimum.
days is okay for you.
no.
Once
in
a
the
week.
Delhi winter for sure. Once in 2 days is fine.
Look, in the winter it's okay, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I mean, if you live in Bombay
No,
and,
Bombay to
Bombay
2
is
showers a
especially
day,
hot.
bro.
Bombay
No, Bombay is
and it's
especially.
April and you're not taking
But then
a
don't
shower,
wear sweat.
then
Don't
we know.
wear sweat hoodies, right?
But
Bati
the
pehno.
thing-
Winter.
T-shirt पहन लो. Like क्या है?
the thing what Amir tries to say is
Sorry. T-shirt पहन लो यार, please. Just like.
What was I trying to say?
yeah, the thing is he doesn't mean like fucking you're stinking and
No,
you're
like if
sweaty.
there's like
He
bacteria.
means- so basically the pheromone match is when you know that you're it won't be the person's smell that is really disgusting to most people.
Yeah, like what
It's
stank
like-
for you may not be stank for a different girl.
Yeah,
So that's a
and
Yeah,
it's
match.
just
honestly,
like
I
you
think
can
what's
tell
stank
with
for
people.
everyone is stank for everyone.
I'm like, what
like
is not
if you
stank?
We'll
if you
discuss.
just gone
We'll
and
come for
played-
the next treat.
Yeah,
We'll
if you
deep
just
dive.
gone and played like, yo, bro, let's go to the turf, let's play football.
Yeah.
Plug,
Yeah.
but I'm
Like, we can
organizing a
smell
sneaker
it
fest
on.
in
Okay,
Pune.
okay.
Yeah.
Weird plug. I'm organizing a sneaker fest in Pune next month.
Invite us.
Yeah,
Oh,
done.
get him
We'll
off,
be
bro.
there.
You're out. You're out.
इसके पैसे लगेंगे
इसके
bro.
पैसे रहेंगे.
I'll pay, bro, for this.
You pay for this part.
I'm getting
Oh.
sponsored, so I'll pay.
Okay.
Okay, we don't want to
But
smell you.
body odor is not shallow. It's like something that you can take care
It's not
of.
Yeah.
shallow.
Yeah.
It's something you can take care
Yeah.
of for sure. I mean, it happens to the best of us. It's
Yeah, it happens
unfortunate.
to me.
Sometimes, yeah, we all smell sometimes, but
It happens
like,
to everyone.
like relax. It's chill, bro.
Yeah.
It
Exactly.
happens,
Honestly,
but take
like,
care
yeah,
of it.
take care of it. My favorite thing to do when I'm nervous is to imagine the most famous person in the world, the most like graceful, beautiful person having IBS.
Wait, what is IBS?
Irritable bowel syndrome.
Yeah.
Like just thinking,
Like acidity and shit like that.
like no, like on the commode going
Yeah.
ham.
Yeah.
yeah, going. I do
They
just
take
in
it
your
on
bath.
that stage.
Like
that
Penelope
stage, bro,
Cruz on IBS. That
Yeah.
that calms me down. I
They
fall
roll around with
asleep.
Eno in their pocket.
That's not nice.
Yeah, you
bro.
can just pull out that.
What are
emo.
you saying?
Yeah,
Why would
you
you
know.
do that?
I'm
No,
not
it
doing
gives
it.
her comfort that
I'm not inducing IBS in Penelope Cruz. I'm just thinking
manifesting it for her.
You're just manifesting it so that shit happens.
Penelope, if you ever get IBS,
I'm
you
just
will
like-
You
know.
know whom to catch.
I'm just like, hot girls fart.
Yeah. They do?
they?
They do.
I never knew of this.
They go to the loo.
Are they the
Dude.
ones who have the nasty fart?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
We
They go to
nasty
the
as
loo.
Shit.
Do hot
We
girls
do it
poop?
Yeah.
Of course. Once
They
in
do?
6 days.
Hot
they do.
girls poop once in every
What?
6 days, but
Yeah.
they don't tell anyone if they do it.
Yeah.
But when
Because
you
of their
know,
diet.
That's because
Yeah.
of their diet completely.
only
They only
greens.
eat leaves
you have
and
to
greens.
eat
much
good
fiber.
flipping burgers for
Isn't it
6 days.
complicated?
That's really nice.
It's for 6 days.
And we can't name them.
Yeah.
No,
No,
okay,
we
you
don't.
guys want to know my really shallow turn off? That
Yes.
it's like
I would
something
love
that,
to know.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
bro, if you have an underbite, like your lower jaw, if your lower jaw is ahead of your upper jaw, it's like,
So you know what?
Jaw surgery for
You know the
3 years.
Habsburg Empire?
no.
Okay, so there was a royalty, like a
She's getting her Karl Marx face on, bro. She's
no,
like,
so I can't
yeah,
even
all
say it
this-
because I'm
Karl Marx
already
is
already on the edge. So I
Yeah.
okay, so there was basically like a royal family called the Habsburgs, and because they were so inbred, it became a symbol.
It's a thing. It's a thing.
It became a symbol of their empire that all of the progeny had front that
like an
Underbite.
underbite. Yeah.
underbite. Yeah, and of course, apart from that, they had many other like lifestyle issues.
They
But
look like bulldogs.
but the underbite was one of them.
Lifestyle
I don't
issues.
think it was just
Yeah, like they had,
visual.
like, they were
yeah.
just like their immune system.
Are you sure?
Heavily
Yeah.
Not
compromised.
just
But
Yeah,
the
yeah.
thing with royal families, a lot of them like do inbreeding because they want to keep it inside the family. So there are a lot of kids also have
Correct.
Down syndrome and like issues like that. Just growing up.
Don't inbreed.
You, Anisha, from a royal family.
Tell me, what do you think is important to What is an important quality for women to find you attractive? Since you've been asking us all these questions.
Oh,
This is if we're sticking to heteronormativity
Yeah.
and if you are in fact
Yeah,
straight.
correct.
I think it's a lot of what you guys said, just like get good at something, be successful, have some value. I
Yeah.
think few years ago I realized ki bhai, like even if you're the most good looking guy, or if you're not good looking, something that is common with a lot of successful men is that they have something figured out, they're good at something, they have a plan, and they're known for something. I was like, bro, that's like if I'm trying to do something to get women, it's gonna be I just want my personal life to be sorted. I want to be successful, and I know everything else will come.
But are you a good partner?
Are you a good partner? Yeah. What do you think makes you a good
He'd
partner?
like to
What,
believe
yeah,
so.
what do you think makes
What do you think makes you a good partner?
I don't think I'd
Me?
be a
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, we'll
I'm a-
ask it to everyone.
Yeah.
Stu
What
is
do you
not a
think- all
good
the men
partner.
here, why do you guys think you're a good partner? What makes you a good partner?
I'm a good listener. Like very honestly.
Fair
Listener
enough.
is.
Yeah. Like I'll hear you out. And I'll try to work on myself based on what
Really? You
Yeah.
work on yourself?
I will.
I think he's a good partner. What
Me,
makes you a
okay,
good
I have like 7 dogs, so I'm like really good with cuddling.
Okay, that makes him a good partner.
But
That's what
not
makes
all
you a
people
good
need.
partner.
I
And
know,
okay,
but
he's
People
also a
don't only
chef.
need
So
I'm
you
a
do
chef, I can cook, I can provide.
Yeah, that's
I
good.
went to culinary school, so technically I'm
Basic
So he'll be
sustenance.
the
You don't believe it? You don't buy it?
Anish go cook or something.
I'll make Maggie.
No, basic sustenance. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think makes you all a good
She's not
partner?
buying it.
What makes
What
you a good
about
partner?
Yeah.
you?
Let him finish
I
it.
though won't even say that I'm a good partner. Like in this current phase of my life, I can't be a good
Yeah.
partner. Like I got out of a relationship because I wasn't giving enough to the relationship. I didn't have it in me.
That's important.
I recognized that and I said, okay, this is not fair to you. This is not good for me either, because I don't like half-assing anything. If I feel like I'm half-assing it, I'll be like, listen, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to figure out what I'm doing. So I would say self-awareness, like if I'm in a relationship and I want it to work, I'll put in the effort. I'll do everything that it takes while making sure that personally we are sorted.
Yeah.
So you're happy with yourself. I'm happy with myself. Let's come together. Let's share that.
Let's be sad together.
Oh, that's great. That's very important.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. Like so now I've reached a point in my life where I don't want to do a half-ass relationship. If a relationship is going to be purely physical, let's
That's why I
acknowledge
don't
it.
do.
Let's not. Let's
We
set
make it a whole-
expectations.
Fully. I honestly, my plea to anybody in college or school or in
give
their
you
early
also. We'll
20s
give
is
you also.
don't get into a long drawn relationship, because this is the time when you're figuring out,
Yeah.
Who you are.
yeah, and what makes you money. And you can't compromise
Yeah.
in that time.
Yeah. And it depends. Your priorities change.
Yeah.
My work is my priority right now. I'm not scared to say that anything that gets in the way, if I feel like my relationship is getting in the way, I'm more than happy to cut that relationship off, because I know I'm focused on something else right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. To your question, I don't think
Yeah.
I'm a good partner right now.
Not right now.
Extending
like in,
from exactly what he said, like I don't know where my life is going
Mm-hmm.
with the show. That's exciting to have so much love from so many people, but do I know what the next 5 years of my life look like? No. So what can I really promise somebody?
And
no, it's
the
not about
kindest,
that as well.
It's the kindest thing you can do for someone
Yeah.
to
For
tell
sure.
them that I can't
Yeah,
be
for
good for
sure.
you
Yeah.
right now.
But what
That's
makes
the-
me a good partner?
In general,
I
yeah.
hype the crap out of my. So I'm the kind of. I think I'm a great agent.
Okay.
So if
Super supportive.
super supportive to the point where I am literally calling PR for you. Super supportive to the point where I'm your intern, I'm your assistant, I'm your director, I'm your everything.
Do you want to date?
Do I want to date?
Yeah.
Oh, where this podcast is over. So maybe not. Maybe not.
You don't want to date?
So-
I would rather
No,
be
wait.
miserable in Europe than date in Mumbai.
I love
Yeah.
it.
Oh,
That's
put that
a
on a
very nice-
t-shirt.
I love it.
No, I love that
Yeah,
term,
yeah,
like,
yeah.
for
The
sure.
audience explain what that means.
That means that I want to spend the time to enjoy my life. The one thing that the pandemic has taught me is that that you need to really like spend this life making memories and not like wait till the end of time. Yeah.
gives
So
such a-
enjoy your life and and like have something to talk about when you're 80 and you're like, hey, remember, you know what your grandmother did? She was freaking Koel Kalra in class, man. Yeah.
Okay, talking about the pandemic,
Yeah.
how did recording the whole show? Because what I heard was like you're recording in lockdown. right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we did.
Was
In
that
fact,
hectic?
I mean, it was
insane.
it was very interesting because we were 11 people, we were trying honestly for most part of it not to get COVID off of
Yeah.
each other. So
How did that
Yes.
work though?
I was the
How did I
60th
work for
person in
Koel
Delhi
and
to
Balli?
get
Like,
Omicron.
Koel, Malli and the third dude, bro.
Yeah, so
Exactly,
I'll tell
so-
you.
No, he
The-
was thoda
the
far. He
whole-
was like in the cupboard, so he was like, let us safe.
He was safe.
He actually never got Omicron.
He'd
were
watch
just
and he'd
trying-
jerk off.
we were
Don't
guys
ruin it
trying
for
not
me,
to
yeah,
get
for me,
COVID
he's
off
though-
of
he
each
was
other.
full on.
Okay, so basically, me and Moses were recording a dance reel.
Okay, is Moses Balli
No,
No,
Moses
Sharan.
is Sharan.
the boyfriend?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So Moses and I were recording a dance reel when I got the message that I have Omicron.
Nice.
So then we ran. in the
I'm not even
office
gonna
to-
talk about my Omicron message like, hey,
But who
brother,
even
you have
informed y'all?
Omicron.
The backup.
Y'all was
From
sick, so y'all
production.
like,
So there was a day.
Another actor.
I'll tell you what happened for me.
Yeah.
There was a day when they were only shooting Koel shots.
yeah.
And it was the last sequence. It was the sequence. None of you have watched it.
I've
except
Yeah,
me.
you guys have.
It was the
No,
last.
I know the show because
Okay,
of
so it was the last
initial one.
sequence where I was kind of getting the phone out of
Oh, they get
Sohani's
fucked- you get
locker
fucked over,
and I
yeah.
get fucked over. And we shot it the whole day. And there was one scene left when I break down, you know, after I like can't get to Sohani's locker and I'm like, what the fuck? Nobody's
that-
helping me. Bali's not helping me.
Oh, the last
Yeah.
episode.
Yeah.
I was there.
Sharon's not helping me. No one's helping me. And I start crying. And we shot everything except that scene.
Okay.
And I told the director, the episode director, Gul, I said, Gul, let's just finish it, man. We shot the whole day. I'm in the zone. Let's just finish it. He's like, don't worry, babe. You have it. We'll do it tomorrow. That tomorrow came 3 months later. And yeah, I could have done so much more. I just
You
couldn't.
were like, production stopped 3 months for me, but then it was actually 3 years.
Yeah, it was 3 years
It was. I
later.
really wish I'd gotten to do it that day. I would have done a
How
much.
do you
I
feel your life
know.
would have been different if it would have released, like, if COVID didn't happen? How do you think would have played out the same way?
I would have never gotten to play this character.
Same, I
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
think so. I
Yeah.
also think if it wasn't for the pandemic, I would never have gotten to play Yashika because during the period where they were auditioning for class,
We were in
I
lockdown.
was so busy with modeling because that's really when my modeling career sort of picked up that I didn't really even want to audition to act. I didn't really even want to be an actor
Yeah.
during this period of time because the modeling career was really working out. I had a lot of TVC auditions. Life was really working out great. I didn't need to necessarily push in
yeah.
another direction. My design career was working out fine. So genuinely, if the pandemic never happened, I wouldn't have
Yeah.
even auditioned to play
Same. I was
Yashika.
in Delhi, dude. I was
I-
doing my own thing.
Like I only auditioned to play Yashika because we were mid pandemic and there was nothing much to do.
So are you glad
Yeah, I
that
got to
COVID
audition
happened
for-
as a pandemic?
No, absolutely not.
I'm saying that we kind of came out of it trying to make some kind of sense of it, like everybody else is.
And it was the pandemic, right? There was no work happening for anyone. Everybody had to be more enterprising than they've ever had to
And
be.
branch out to
Everybody
more
was
things.
Yeah,
doing
you.
themselves.
Yeah, look
had
at you
to
guys.
Innovate. You had to
I'm sure
do
you guys
more
innovated.
than you
Yeah,
ever.
we're-
Yeah,
We're pandemic
exactly. You're all
babies.
lockdown babies. We were lockdown babies.
We're
as well.
pandemic actors.
We're pandemic actors.
In the end,
Like,
it all works
all
out, bro.
works out.
We're in the same room doing this. I've had so much fun. Aisha, Naina, you guys have been great. I had a
It's been an
lot
honor
of fun.
hosting y'all.
I'm sorry. I
I'm
hope
glad
you
you
haven't been
recognized
too
at the end
drunk.
of 2 hours.
No,
Yeah.
it's fine.
No,
I was.
Because
In
we've
my
been
own
just,
world.
We've just been getting drunk, honestly. We've been having fun with
We're
our
gonna have a
friends.
lot.
But that's
we're
what-
gonna
that's
drink
what
a lot
people
more
do.
after this. And
Go
thank you
watch,
so much.
go watch
Go
Class.
watch-
Go. It's on
Please go
Netflix.
watch Class.
Watch Class. These two are great. You'll have a good time. And thank you for doing
Thank you
this.
so much.
you for
Thank you for
having
doing
us.
this.
Thank you for having us.
Sure.
Take it and go.